Looking for the best window installation Gaithersburg has to offer? Our top-rated window installers Gaithersburg are here to provide you with professional window installation Gaithersburg services. Whether you need residential window services or commercial window installation, our Gaithersburg window contractors are ready to assist. Energy-efficient windows. Gaithersburg are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our Gaithersburg custom window solutions include insulated glass windows and vinyl window installation to ensure your home or business is energy efficient. Trust our window installation Gaithersburg experts to deliver the best results. For those in need of window installation Gaithersburg services, our team offers comprehensive solutions. From window glass replacement to window frame installation Gaithersburg, we handle all aspects of window maintenance Gaithersburg. Our window sealing services ensure your windows are airtight and secure. Enhance your home with our Gaithersburg Bay window experts and casement windows Gaithersburg MD. Our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect style for your property. Whether it's bay window installation or sliding window installation Gaithersburg MD, we have the expertise you need. Our window installation Gaithersburg MD company specializes in custom window solutions. From double-hung windows to skylight installation, we offer a wide range of options. Our window fitting services ensure a perfect fit every time, making us the go-to choice for window installation near Gaithersburg. Affordable window services. Gaithersburg are just a call away. Our Gaithersburg window glass services include storm window installation and window screen installation. We provide quality and affordability, making us the preferred choice for Gaithersburg MD window replacement. Vinyl windows Gaithersburg MD are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our window contractors Gaithersburg offer expert vinyl window installation Gaithersburg to enhance your property's appearance and efficiency. Choose us for the best window installation Gaithersburg MD. For commercial windows Gaithersburg MD, our team provides tailored solutions to meet your business needs. Our window installation Gaithersburg MD company offers reliable and efficient services, ensuring your commercial property is equipped with the best windows available. Trust our window installation Gaithersburg experts for all your window needs. From window frame installation Gaithersburg to window design consultation, we cover it all. Experience the difference with our professional window installation Gaithersburg services today.